Hello guys, welcome to CFX Trading Community. This is our YouTube channel where we do share forecast and daily bias of the NASDAQ 100. Welcome to the live chat. This is the 9th of June 2022 and we're presenting to you a live chat of the NASDAQ 100. So getting into it guys, we can see that from our forecast on the previous day, I did forecast a bullish day and I did forecast the closure and completion of a swing low right here. I did expect price to rather close bullish, but then we can see that price then closed bearish, and then our bullish move that we had was attacked the previous day's low, but didn't take out Monday's high. So coming into it today, we can see that from this area right here where we have delineated our resistance area, we do have a high and a higher high, and then we do have our support area right here where price then came down below and then closed above. So in a way, I do take these lows as two equal lows, and if price does in fact close with the created swing high right here, I will take that as a high here and a lower high right here. So with a bearish bias coming into place today, if you do watch our videos, you do know that from the opening of Monday, we did forecast price to drop down into a discounted area from this bullish push right here that took out the short-term high and these equal highs right here. So if I can have price trade down below and actually take out the sell stops below these equal lows, I do see price reaching quite a discounted area below equilibrium. So if another thing that I want to bring up is that we can see that this candle right here, it's 3 o'clock New York time right now, or it's 2:58 New York time right now, and price has already traded below the previous day's low. So if we can go down to the 1 hour time frame to take a good look at why I am projecting a bearish day for the NASDAQ today on the 9th of June 2022. Okay, so this here was Monday's trading, Tuesday's trading, and yesterday's trading, which was Wednesday. And today we do have Thursday's trading. This is the live New London Open session, and yeah. So yesterday I I was forecasting a bullish bias, and I wanted to see price trade through the short-term high as well as Monday's high. But then we can see that price did set up quite well for us on the morning session where price did actually trade through the short-term low and then respected this bullish order, this bearish order block right here, which has an imbalance below it. We can see that price created the higher high structure as well as in the daily time frame. So now I'm forecasting price to take out these equal lows right here at 12,560 region, and my area of resistance that I'll be using is this area here where we do have, from today's open, we do have two consecutive up close candles, and if we go further to the left we can see these three consecutive up close candles that are at the weekly opening price region. So I do expect price to respect this area of resistance, and since we are coming from above the weekly opening price we traded and now we're actually trading below, I do expect price to complete by targeting this low right here. So if we go on to the 15-minute time frame just to assess the key areas where I expect price to set up for a sell entry. So if you can see on the 15-minute time frame guys, let me zoom out just a little bit. from yesterday's trading price. From this down move here, this was the last bullish close candle that we have. That price actually failed to close above. So in a way, in a sense, price is respecting this area as an area of resistance. So if I can have price trade up here, take out, or rather create or take out the Asian high, and then I'll see price set up for a bearish move. For as long as price hasn't tapped below this low here, I treat this low as a key pointer for a bearish move. I do expect price to go up a bit, test this resistance area here, and then come through setup for us for a buy setup. I mean a sell setup, excuse me guys. And if we can go down to the left side by this low right here, we do have our potential imbalance area right here, where I eventually want to see price come trade into this area right here, but I will be targeting this low, and then further on I'll let you guys know what are my thoughts throughout the day. And I'll also be taking a session. I also record the AM session for today to see if we can have quite a nice setup. And if we do pull through with the setup during London, I will record and then share it with you guys. So if you like this video guys and find it very insightful, please like and subscribe to my channel, and keep yourself updated because we do share quite a lot of things. We do share NFT reviews, big cryptocurrency forecast, and we mainly forecast on the daily trading for NASDAQ 100 in the indices side. We do also take a look at the S&P as well as the Dow Jones for SMT convergence and other instruments as well. So thank you guys. Please stay tuned, like and subscribe.